Hello YouTube, Stat75 here. I went to a local show today and picked up a box of 2018-2019 Panini Prizm Hobby and Retail 2018-2019 Panini Prizm Basketball on both. I'm gonna break. I'll break the retail first, and we'll get into the hobby after. But this will probably be the only. I just wanted to get a little taste of everything. Bought a few solo packs and regular packs and the retail pack box and the hobby box, and then that's probably gonna be it for me for the year. There's a lot of good rookies, but you know, last year I went crazy over it because I was trying to get a local Jason Tatum rookies, and then I just ended up getting caught up in the hype. But I love Prizm. I'll probably pick up one box every year. For now, I'm just gonna do the these two for the basketball. Find one autograph, 12 Prizms, and 12 retail exclusive inserts on box per box on average. 4 cards per pack, 24 packs per box. So let's get to ripping. Oh, okay. Unwrap rookie signatures, including top picks from the 2018 NBA draft. There's your little odds, I think. You can pause it if you want. All right, let's get to ripping. Oh yeah, also look for the retail exclusive Prizm Pink Pulsar numbered to 42. That's pretty cool. I'd like to get those for my daughter. She loves pink. As you guys know from past videos, she's a huge Jason Tatum fan. Alright, so let's dig into these. I wonder if RNG Cards is still making videos. I haven't seen any of theirs lately. Lately I've been giving shout-outs to all the card breakers that I like. Obviously, I love, you know, all the big ones like Cardsmith breaks and all them. And, of course, you know, the smaller guys like Capital P Cards and RNG. I love those guys. Anyway, D'Angelo Russell, Seth Curry. Got a Larry Nance Jr. green. I don't think the greens are retail numbered. They're exclusive to retails, I think. And it's a Prizm, so let's pop this aside. Nothing like your little man sound asleep upstairs napping. Wife and daughter out at a Christmas party. A little Jack and Coke here. And the house is pretty much all to myself. Let's get back to ripping. This is the life. Bradley Beal. No idea. Georgie Dung. Alright, got a silver Prizm. That's what I like to see, and it's a rookie, Josh Okogie. Hopefully he's good, because that is awesome. Love getting silver Prizm rookies. I got a Trae Young in the cello packs, which was great. Russell Westbrook, that's a cool looking card. And the Trae Young silver Prizm was beautiful. I love pulling that card. Oh, we got our first pack that doesn't want to play nice, huh? Alright, you're going to get the blade. Oh, wait a minute. Got him to break. Malcolm Brogdon. Aaron Gordon. And a green emergence of Shai Gilgeous Alexander. I think he's a pretty good rookie. That's pretty cool. I'll take that. And Paul Millsap. I don't think that green emergence is numbered. I don't believe. It's just a Prizm exclusive to retail. So that's cool. I'll take it. All right. Kevin Durant. Yao Ming. One of the classics. John Stockton. Bill Russell. All the old timers in this in that pack, except for KD. He's getting up there too. No offense. Still a champion. Former champion from last year. Lonzo Ball, sophomore year. Haven't gotten his yet, so that's good to get his sophomore year card. Marcus Smart. I'll put him with my little Celtics collection. Get hype, LeBron James. Jimmy Butler, Minnesota Timberwolves. All right, moving right along. Tim Hardaway Jr., I see a silver. I think we got our autograph. Oh, that's cool. I'll take the silver rookie too. Hersey Hawkins. Wish it was someone better, but that's fine. Whatever. I want autograph. Has to be that. It couldn't be like a rookie auto, but whatever. Still take the Wendell Carter Jr. I think that's pretty good, especially a silver. And then Hamidou Diallo, regular base rookie. That's cool. And Tim Hardaway Jr. Cool. Wish the auto was better, but still hasn't been a bad pack so far. A bad box break so far. Oh, I'll take that. Even if it isn't a silver, that's nice. Luka Doncic. My boy's name's Luka too, so I love it. He spells it the Italian way, but Yusuf Nurkic. Freshman Phenoms, Marvin Bagley III. Don't get Dragon Bender. So we got a Luka in this box. That's pretty good. John Wall, Dante Exum, Green, Nerlens Noel. Wish it was something better for the green, but whatever. Thon Maker. That's not a silver, is it? No, no Prizm. Stephon Marbury. Patrick Ewing. Another classic pack. The old timers. And Urson Iloslova. And a Chandler Hutchinson base rookie. Not a Prizm. Are these numbered? No, these red waves or whatever they are, red pulsar, whatever you call them, they're not numbered. Alright. Ian Clark. One more. Silver, Patty Mills. It's a plain silver. Boo. Paul Gasol. You know what? At least there isn't coaches cards this year. That was terrible last year. Those things were terrible. Getting stuck with those, especially the silver ones. Zaire Smith rookie base. Tim Duncan Dominance. That's cool. I haven't got one of those yet in this box. And a Reggie Miller for the old timers. Cool. What was that? Oh, it wasn't a chip. All right. Halfway point here. Rookie, DeAndre Jordan. That's a pretty good rookie. Stanley Johnson. Freshman Phenoms, Aaron Holiday. Cool. That's sharp looking. And Malik Monk. Sophomore year. So not bad. Obviously, when I say sophomore year, it means it's their second year in the league. I'm sure everybody knows that, just in case. Never know nowadays. Stephen Curry, Darren Collison, Scottie Pippen red. That's cool with the red. It'd be nice if they had rights to Michael Jordan. That would have been cool. Nikola Jokic. Marcin Gortat. Yuta Watanabe. Tariq Evans Silver. Steven Adams. All right. Dwyane Wade. Rodness Crooks. Base rookie and emergent Jerome Robinson, the Clippers. Where did I put my emergents? Oh, there they are. It's a green one. Okay, and DeAndre Jordan. Okay. Wilt the Stilt Chamberlain. I love these old school cards. It's pretty cool. Better than getting coaches, I guess. And Emeka Okafor. Oh, Dominance of Karl Malone. They even throw the old school guys in the Dominance cards. Kyle Mailman and Malone. That's cool. Back from my day. Back when I really was into basketball. Frank Ntilikina, his sophomore year. Jari Parker, freshman phenoms. Colin Sexton, cool. Too bad it wasn't a silver, but he's good. He's one of the better ones. Kawhi Leonard. I remember watching that guy Sexton play in college during March Madness. It's pretty entertaining watching him. Mikal Bridges, base rookie. Do we get a silver rookie here? Derek Favors. Yeah. Javon Carter, silver rookie. All right. This box yielded 3 silver rookies so far. And a Dr. J. That's pretty cool pack. Pretty cool. I mean, you know, even if they're scrubs, silver rookies are silver rookies. They could turn into something down the road. So, pretty damn cool. It's funny, Prizm, how it is, like the silver rookies are worth more than like the silver rookie autographs. It's weird. Well, it seems like they are, at least. Quinn Cook, Chandler Parsons, emergent of another shy, just call him Gorgeous Alexander. That's what it looks like, the word. All right. Let's, dropping everything. What's going on here? Put that over with my emergence. All right, back to getting some Watertorian prints. All right. I don't know, last few packs. 24 packs, man. These retail take forever. Dwight Howard. Anthony Davis. Isaiah Thomas Silva on the Lakers. Wow. Oh, okay, all right. That's the new Isaiah Thomas. For a second there, I was... all right. That's cool. I'll take a silver of Isaiah Thomas. Jaren Jackson Jr. Too bad it wasn't a silver, but still cool to get the regular. I think he's one of the hot rookies, too. This retail box has been pretty good. Kelly Olynyk, Ron Lopez. Larry Bird home on it is all right. The Birdman. And Jeremy Lin, just for good measure. On our last 3 packs, ladies and gentlemen. We got Drazen Petrovic. Gordon Hayward for my Celtics. And Shabazz Napier. The green card sucked in this box, but Damian Lillard. No really big, good rookies. Not even a single rookie in the green, actually. Which is fine. I'd rather get the silver rookies anyway. Silver rookies are worth more than the green rookies, that's for sure. Wesley Matthews. Domantas Sabonis. Hakeem Olajuwon Dominance. And Marshawn Brooks. Hey, everybody. Guess what? Last pack of the break. There we go. Let's see what we got here. Damari Carroll. Kyle Korver. Dominance of Dr. J. Julius Erving. That's awesome. And Chris Paul. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Please, thumbs up. Like and subscribe. I always appreciate the support on the channel. Helping me out. Let's see. The big... just to get a little recap here. Got Luka Doncic. And DeAndre Payton. Nothing big on the silver. I think on the silver, a big rookie from the silver was I don't know. You tell me who the big rookie was out of these guys. I don't have eBay in front of me, so I can't tell. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the break.